to showcase the new cosmic the new Garo. And let's see, I still don't know how to get Cosmic Garo though. Let's see. So of course we have Doomberry. Yeah, we have Doomberry. Hold up, I forgot Double Dash, no cooldown, and no Ragdoll. Anyways, look at this, we have Doomberry. Yeah, and then we have Crab Buster. Wait, what? There's no way this moves. Boom. We're here. And there's a variant. Oh no, come on. What? How can you? Oh, what? Oh, what? Hold up. Boom. And then we got Blinding Claws. Claws. Boom. And then and you haven't even seen the ultimate. Wait a sec. There we go. And then dummy. There it is. I forgot to give the ultimate. Alright. There's actually a new ultimate. Boom. Yeah, where am I jumping to? Oh, what? No, what here? Oh, as I hit somebody. Okay, so we got Hunter's Mark. Yeah, we all know this move. Boom. Boom. And then, boom. Boom. Alright, and now Great Fajin. And boom, shotgun into the water. But yeah, the actual move is actually supposed to be this. Look. Boom, boom. Yeah, and then God Slayer. Look at this. This is like the most like my favorite one. Boom, go up, and then you have like wings, and this is like. And this is the update, got Slayer, and then you just punch him a lot, boom, boom, and then boom. Now Skyrocketing Fist. Oh, literally so strong that it literally just broke my god mode. Okay, and now Skyrocketing Fist. This was also in the like a screenshot of it. Boom! And yeah, that's basically it for like the Monstagaro. And now Undying Hero. Yeah, I have early access and BS Plus. Alright, always got moved. There's no there's no ultimate to this one, so it's going to be short. Hello? Let's find more outsiders actually. And then Blast Breaker, and then Point Blank. And then Crossfire. Yeah, oh wait, hold up, I have the stun and attacking, then oh my gosh, okay, I have to do this afar where nobody can see me. What just happened? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure the owner just reset servers. Oh my gosh, why is it so laggy? Hello? Alright, and now outsiders. And now Sorry about that. Let's just attacking and then crossfire. Boom, boom. Oh, I can attack multiple people also. Oh yeah, and I'm cooked. Alright. Ow! Alright, basically that's the end of the showcase. And I'll see you later. Bye.